guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I am very much happy at this time because the government of India has taken the best decision so far to ban all the Chinese products. So before the video starts, the climate outside is very beautiful. I'll show it to you now.
So why is it so hard to let you go?
As you all know, Chinese army entered India and tried to capture Ladakh, and the second thing is China did spread the coronavirus throughout the world, and each and every country is suffering because of this. As an Indian, and the best decision of Indian government taken so far is they have banned Chinese products and Chinese applications, and there are some 59 in total. There are some 59 total apps. Share it, UC browser, and the main thing that I'm happy is Indian government banned TikTok. Well, these are the apps that you can see on the screen. I hope you all have seen a viral video on social media of an Indian army soldier telling that support us by uninstalling and boycotting Chinese products and applications. Well, every Indian took it seriously, and even the Indian government took it seriously, and that this is the day where our soldiers will be happy by the decision taken by the government of banning and boycotting all the Chinese products and applications. So that's it for the day, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed the video, and bye, take care, stay safe, stay happy. Signing off.